Good morning student, this is Vasu Amit Banchor, your IT teacher. Welcome to online classes 2020-21. So student, today we'll discuss the exercise questions, and this exercise question you have to write in your book all the answers. All the answers of fill in the blanks, identify, memory device, then full form, MCQs, all these question answers, all these exercise answers you have to write in your book only. No need to write in your notebook. So fill in the blanks. The smallest unit of memory is bit. A Blu-ray disc can store maximum 25 to 50 GB. Primary memory is made up of RAM and ROM. The different types of ROM are PROM, EEPROM and EFPROM. And one dash is also there, so no need to write this. Only three types is there. So DRAM is the most popular type of RAM used nowadays. DRAM. 6th 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. 7th 1 GB equal to 1024 MB bytes. 8th the storage capacity of a CD is 700 MB and a DVD is 4.7 GB. 9th, to take a backup of hard disk we should use external hard disk. 10th, the ROM memory is used during booting process. Now identify the memory device. Consists of a stack of disk on a common spindle hard disk. An optical disk used to store around 700 MB of digital data CD. An optical disk with a storage capacity of 4.7 GB DVD. A disk which uses a blue violet laser to read and write is Blu-ray disc. Is a removable drive connected to the computer via a USB port, pen drive. Storage device used to take backups of hard disk. External hard disk is a type of ROM that can be reprogrammed. EROM, volatile primary memory, RAM, contains a permanent set of startup instructions for the computer system. ROM, a CD which allow the data to be written multiple number of times by the user. CD, RW. RW means read and write. So here full form is mentioned here. TB, terabyte. BIT, yani bit, binary digit. RAM, random access memory. ROM, read only memory. PROM, programmable read only memory. EEPROM, erasable programmable read only memory. GB, gigabyte. CD, compact disc. DVD, digital versatile disc. BD, Blu-ray disc. USB, universal serial bus. Multiple choice question. 8-bit is equal to 1 byte. 1 TB is equal to 1024 GB. RAM is a volatile memory. Blu-ray is a flash drive. The correct ascending order in terms of storage capacity is first CD, DVD, then Blu-ray. The track of a magnetic disc are divided into sectors. To store movies, the ideal storage device would be a CD. The most common RAM size are which one? Most common RAM size? All the others means A, B, C. All the answers are there. To store permanent instructions for booting the computer, we use ROM. To take backups of the RAM, the device used EEPROM. So student, here question answers is given here, and this question answers I will give you as a PDF format. Then scientific zone means in your book horse is mentioned here. In place of scientific zone in your book horse is written there. So check the answer of this question also. Yes, and till now if you had not written this question, horse question in your practical notebook, so complete fast according to the question. I will give you the answer also. So all the exercise questions answers you have to mark in your book only, and this answer